What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape Upwork jobs automatically using Claude. So let's get started. To scrape Upwork jobs automatically, we're going to create a skill that is going to be responsible for scraping our jobs for us. To create a skill, here I'm going to click on Customize. Then on Skills, I'll click on Create a Skill. Then here we're going to create the skill using Claude. Here I'm going to hit Enter to describe the skill that I would like Claude to create. So the skill is going to be responsible for scraping our jobs. So basically, we're going to input the details of the job or the description of the job that we would like it to scrape. And then we'd like it to scrape the jobs and then add the jobs into a spreadsheet and then output the link of the spreadsheet for us to review the jobs. So here we're going to tell Claude, create a skill that uses the user's job description or search criteria to find matching Upwork jobs, scrape the relevant listings, extract key details for a job, and save all results into a Google Sheet with one job per row. Once complete, return the shareable Google Sheet link for review. Here I'm going to hit Enter to create the skill. Let's give it a second for it to create the skill for us. You can see it's asking us a couple of questions. So how should the user provide their job search criteria? We're going to provide the keyword or the search term. Then we'd like it to extract the job title, budget, description, posted date, required skill, client information, job link, row. So basically all of them. Next, how many jobs should the skill target per run? Here we're going to tell it the number of jobs we would like for it to scrape. Give it a second for it to create the skill for us. So here you can see it successfully created our skill we're going to use to scrape jobs from Upwork. Right here, skill's name is Upwork Job Scraper. Here we're going to click on Save Skill to save it. Pick the keywords that we're going to input in Claude, then searches for the Upwork jobs, fetches the job, then creates a Google Sheet, then adds the jobs into the spreadsheet, then shares the link for us to review the jobs. It's just great for us. Now on the right, we can review the skill right here. Go over each line and make sure that it works exactly as you wish to. Here. Now, if you like to include more information to the skill, or if you like you need to exclude some information to the skill, you can edit it. You can choose to edit with Claude right here, and you can tell Claude to include or exclude the information that you'd like. But since our skill works perfectly, we can go ahead and use it to scrape Upwork jobs for us, and then add the jobs to a spreadsheet we're going to review after it's completed scraping the jobs for us. To do that, we're going to use our Upwork job scraper skill right here, and then we're going to tell it use our skill to scrape 10 recent web developer job listings from Upwork, then extract the key details from each live posting and store them in a Google Sheet and return a shareable link. To scrape the jobs automatically using Claude, hit Enter right here and give it a minute or two for it to scrape the jobs for us. So here you can see it successfully scraped our 10 web developer jobs from Upwork right here. And then it successfully added the jobs to our spreadsheet right here. This is incredible. Here at the top, jobs that is scraped for us over here from Upwork. This is incredible. For the title, budget, type, and when it was posted. So let us preview our jobs. To do that, I'm going to open this link right here. When you open our spreadsheet, here you can see the 10 web developer jobs that is successfully scraped for us. Here the title of the jobs. Here the budget, rate, job type, description of each job over here, required skills over here, when the job was posted, client rating, hire rate, location, and the URL to apply to the jobs. These are actual web developer jobs that is successfully scraped for us over here that we can apply to. This is incredible. It successfully scraped these 10 web developer jobs, then added the jobs to a spreadsheet right here with the rate, job type, description, required skill, when the jobs were posted, and the link to apply to the jobs. Using the skill that we created right here in Claude, we can try scraping 10 more jobs with a different search criteria. So now to scrape different jobs using a different criteria, we're going to still use our skill. We're going to tell Claude, use this skill to scrape 10 customer support and virtual assistant job listings from Upwork. Then extract key details from each live posting, then store them into a Google Sheet and return the shareable link for review. To scrape the jobs using our skill, I'm going to hit enter right here. Then I'm going to give it a second or two for it to complete scraping the jobs for us. So here you can see it successfully scraped our jobs for us. So it added 5 customer support jobs and 5 virtual assistant jobs. It's really incredible. To preview the jobs, I'm going to open this link right here. And then I'm going to click on the link to preview the jobs. You can see the 10 customer support and virtual assistant jobs that it successfully scraped for us over here. It's incredible. So you can see the job title, the budget or rate, job type, description of the job right here. In case you wanted to apply for the job, the required skill, when the job was posted, location, and the link to apply to the jobs. You can preview the jobs by opening these links. This is incredible. You can try scraping 10 more jobs by different criteria using our skills. So you can tell Claude, using this skill, scrape 10 social media manager jobs from Upwork and then extract the key details of each job, store the jobs into a Google Sheet and return only the shareable link to preview the jobs. So here we're including only 10 as a number. You can go as high as you want, but since this is just an example, we're only scraping 10 jobs. So let us try scraping 10 social media manager jobs from Upwork. To do that, I'm going to hit enter here and give it a second for it to scrape the jobs for us. So here you can see it successfully scraped our 10 social media manager jobs from Upwork right here. These are recent jobs. To preview the jobs, I'm going to open our link right here to preview. Here you can see the 10 social media manager jobs that is successfully scraped for us from Upwork. Here are the job titles. Here are the rates of the jobs, job type, description of each job right here, the snippet. Here are the required skills. This is when the jobs were posted. And then here you can open the URL to apply to the jobs. You can see right here, these are real social media manager jobs that you can apply. As you can see over here, this is really impressive. So we successfully scraped these 10 social media manager jobs. Then added the jobs to a spreadsheet over here, the link to apply to the jobs. Using this skill that we created right here in Claude, we can try scraping, this time around we can try scraping 20 jobs from a different criteria. So we can tell Claude, using our skill right here, which is Upwork Job Scraper, use this skill to scrape 20 recent video editing jobs listing from Upwork, extract key details from each live posting, store them into a Google Sheet, and then return the shareable link to preview the jobs. To scrape the jobs, I'm going to hit enter right here. And I'm going to give it a second for it to scrape the jobs for us. Now here you can see it successfully scraped our 20 video editing jobs from Upwork. You can see the 20 jobs over here. Let us preview the jobs in our spreadsheet. To do that, I'll open this link over here. Now when you open our spreadsheet, here you can see our 20 video editing jobs that is successfully scraped for us from Upwork. You can see the job title, the budget, job type, snippet of the description of each job. Here are the required skills. All the jobs are posted and the link to apply to the jobs. You can open a few links to preview the actual jobs. This is how you can automatically scrape endless jobs from Upwork and add the jobs to a spreadsheet similar to these ones or here by creating these Upwork job scraper skill in Claude. Now, if you'd like help automating manual tasks that you're currently doing in your business or your agency, just use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. On the call, we'll discuss into details on how I can help automate those manual tasks for you. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and be on the lookout for the next video that will be dropping soon. But for now, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.